message na wutia wutimi say hey wa wunyini every blessed day unyansa niema bi a wunnim wa hyase ehu abrabo mu nyansa enkoda ntetie mu nyansa awade mu nyansa sikase mu nyansa enamfose mu nyansa ade bia a wo ya adaache be mo wabre no wutie Sompa wo be ye free life Apam Dadaa so ate ase ade bia wunyini a ebe mo wabre ade bia wunyini ebe mo wabre no se wutie Sompa wo be ye free eti wunyini a o meka se mabre ena o meka se ye manumi hu obi eni ho tie Sompa obenyina beka se manumi hu je bia de wote ye no wamfa anya adwuma se wodi ye adwuma nko ade a because our platform is Sompa Akra platform ye programs no from anopa be sie numere de wo betie bia wotimi se wadwene sesa ontimi se wodo ho bodondon sa
program o ya ade yi
I like that program o ya ade yi ena Bible se de ode ne ho bo nyansafo no hu nyansa na se bi ode ne ho bo jimifo be jimifo
ni jimi no kura ya na emu edunjo ejejentie
ana ababa ejejentie eti Sompa ye emre bi Adwoa am say recently woman bi or friend won kura no mama me rua ho was Sompa mo bantam a enka manya ware
ye
aso kai no wo ba ko so say Sompa nka mo bantam a enka sika nka mesie no wo se sika de Adwoa wa westi bio wose unam so enkachi se woda so ye adwuma nko adia se woda so ye adwuma nko adia you can begin again you can betimi asase you can begin again nyame anyama nkwa ne de you can begin again it is 1,000 crown na babo so me at least make sure say 200 bi da baby
cyborg near me de pa you can begin again you bet me asase life obi enu aye too late amano ya aye too late amano ne de wo okay
and wo mistake correct me be your ministry wo mistake yes it me be your ministry say when your lesson be to bet me de aboa obi
ampa
it will mistake cry recently lady bi ba me say Sompa delight Sompa delight oba Sompa delight so we are single mother of 3 with different fathers.
Wow.
Wa won kwada miensa. Richla. Bako first one, second one, third. No obe share the lessons. Say enye easy. Say won kwa wo sha kwala. Enti menye ja wo body sa.
Children from different countries.
Yes. O se menje ja wo body sa no che. Ana o chem say no obi na person ko ye single mother wo. Obi eni ho oba bi eni ho wo si so a. Oye na jinse me de me ba ba ye maako bi na je.
Yeah.
I mean, enemy here, baby, I may have me back or bois. A drone at you be a word, you may say Kakurani and Kakuru or the hospital among happy. It yana mem find near my pride, the mayor, and a medium here, baby, I mean, here, baby, as wouldn't crow for me here, baby, here, baby, as wouldn't crow for where Jawa, what's the crew chimpana? It's where Jano, Ujano, now so I for Biku.
We
I say we cry there. I didn't do the papers so. Who's who crew chimpana? It's where Jano, but what's what for Biku? And you know,
Kusi and
Kusi, who first one now, your first class. And as a first class near you, is the same walk away, second class lower. Because who say upon your baby paper because say ye take a decision ade ba ko apom obi a wo bobra say wonim say ade na wo be no it can change your life it can alter your destiny anya abotere
okay
abotere apam it can save your life abotere adwene ba wutiri mu no nya abotere
yes
me say won ha be ye jimifo wo be ye de wo be ye wie abe ye jimifo won kola ni Ajeni nya ba wodie within short moment you know because recently Reverend Professor Mayehu say 20 minutes na ye gigigigi adrenaline ne cortisol no na ta chemicals no a wo ye gidigidi no
cortisol na sorry
na wa ba be chiafa prefrontal o da bi wa be chiafa frontal cortex no o se prefrontal cortex na enema wo ye rational but say wo bibi na wo mpe ana obi ye bibi na woni nye ho a na abufuo ne ba eyi adrenaline ne cortisol no na hie gu nipadua nim na o ma chia fa prefrontal cortex no ono so na ma wo junior but o ma wo be 20 minutes omo nyina be kofom adrenaline ne cortisol nyina be kofom na ma sabre no prefrontal cortex no na wo hya ase be dwene se na asema adwo kan yi ade Akosua ye ade apam ye se wanye ne yi but edi kwan be na me respondo a ebe mama ye nyansani prefrontal cortex no won na gene say dabi ade nyabotre wan sha obeye bibia ma wakoye jimifo ana beye bibia ma oni maguase obeye bibia regret obeye bibia ma oni maguase eti eno na sa prefrontal cortex na ba time ma hu ade na abuafo no de cortisol no na adrenaline no any other chemicals no omo ye bufuo no omo de omo ye gidigi omo hie gu tiri acid no eno na ya na asa wote se wuntiri no asa firi wo na ase na abo na afa wakomam eno o se ya na bofa
obi kura komatimi huri se kwan
ya no wabobo TV ayi papa bi yesi wo se ayi ne fie TV ni ho na yiri bufu bi a TV no pai no ntie se omo to TV bi se be ya ne bufu ode ne sa bebo dem
Dem so dey on time.
Enti emre bi na mo bo emrante hin voice bi wa say se BBC a de ogina wo ncha no ka se nyabotre no wono ne unyame wa save papa
no correct
de ogina wo ncha no ka se asema abai nyabotre no wo se waje wo nkwa because ubeye de ubeye awie na akire afa na wadwene ne baye adwuma wadwene na ye adwuma awie no na de wo sesa wo se no wa sai
awie
ene nye de ya se ni nyina so na wotimi akora
dabi nye de ya se ni nyina na wuti kubon se umpumtu a waye nyana wa hye ni nyina akwa etire wa se ni nyina usika wanya nyana wa hye ni nyina adan uvuafu
sa cortisol no ne
ene adrenaline no
ene adro
se wono no hu ade a na yi ompa wa anase obi anye de opa
Ghana ye hia cortisol adro
chemical but chemicals I wo say wo ye brain
and difference wa bra ye wo say yi manye ne ye kran no why na ya ofere no
prefrontal cortex no na e ka say adidi wagu ho ni masebe ono na ye rational no adwuma ne mejai mo me boss untimi nkasa nkyere me rough mejai wuje adwuma ne wi akoduru fie di 1 week na accommodate wo ene wadwire ba wo say adwuma ne kwanse nka mejai yo ba wo kokunti wo be say wo ye de ho beto but ka wo change ne wo ma the prefrontal cortex no eye na dwuma ka wo be ye rational and ka wo be measure all angle and ka be shaha na what come out with the best strategy what come out with the best response if you say was cortisol ne adrenaline no say wo bibi na wompa na so bi ade a wompa e ho no na o ma sore no ma hie gu tirinim but o mo ye gidigidi for 20 minutes pe aso mo ye gidigidi for 20 minutes pe no adwo but that 20 minutes no
na anu
dey here
cortisol ne adrenaline ne sore ye na atakoto ne nsa say saliewu wabona kuno wonim se mre bi ebisi ayi e fene say akra ha ya wayi neopenan ho papa bi wo ye bank manager tika be mu ofem me si wiase wanya okoko adwuma wo bre wo sane ma wabra boye nkobesie oba na motorbike bi de be bo ne Land Cruiser ne yire tene nchen mema no so o munti o mo yire no bro mo bre da bia mistakes nko a na yire se be ma me se twaso tenase wan fini wasi Africa nim apam wo bo motor rider na so ma oto wa na owuye
yey
what dey wo
po adwuma kofie o se motor rider na de ne car eyi o de motor rider bo ne kan etini buofu na ne yire wo si from ne yire so ne nsa mesrew miwura menko o si free traffic light na so si ye motor rider no wo bo na so mpa oto from awu manslaughter ka wotie etini yire na ne nyame o ne yire na o kan se miwura nyabotre mensi from because ko we ya wote moto ka yikro ntimi nye jane man nko ye kofi ya wo ska obetimi ya ene odam so one prison bank when je no odam so one prison e wodi niam bi yi ho na me de sa na metie ntina wo bre no ntina da bia na obla ena wo se en ayi prof de wo boy yo o se anytime bia wo bubefu no wo blood pressure kosoro
tina ya na akoma no bo periperi
was anytime bia wo say a little anger was so blood pressure kosoro enti da bia wo build ne up enti da ko no nya heart attack pa na wo na say wo build ne chain na next time was build it will be every second bia
na de obuafu
da bia buafu obi we are controlling and very manipulative. Then be a obi anya dia wo pe. We nyame edi anya dia wo pe wo ye hwan. Wo ye hwan obi a mo ne bra and fan satisfy wo ye nyankopon. I won't give you people the grace. Won't give you people the grace to make mistakes. Now what you mistake? I don't know people grace to make mistakes. Who to win your mistake? Who yam from so? We are perfect. Who na who so be am from so na who bofu gidigidi no who yam from so? Who so win nipa? Who ye nipa? Who so many pass second chance? Who win nipa? Nyame wo ma wo second chance an konkun. Onyame wo ma wo second chance an konkun.
No correct.
Eti enya nipa ho abotre. E bi say wo na wonam ho no wo yare. One moon we hear more. No correct. We hear boniface. But who the boniface mo bi na ye because why you who kokoti controlling manipulative spirit, demonic spirit and work it through you.
About 70 more the Lord's prayer.
Oh, wait about the Lord's prayer. Say forgive us as we forgive others. Oh no, do be the channel no be the nyame de odi ababecho. Etina da bia na blood pressure na cause no who class on your feda. Da bia no wonu matwincham. Enka young lady, young man, I says enka wo flourish here. So da bia na wrinkles. There be our blood pressure. There be our stress because you don't give people grace. You don't allow them to be humans. We are human beings. As a Chinese say, we are work in progress.
Okay.
Obi obi sheri bia obi anwie yo apam.
Bia ma wono ho.
Yesu Kristo nkwa na ka say it is finished. Yen nyina obi anwie. Obi obi sheri bia ye work in progress. And found the level I do there is more room for improvement. Said the eco school near Chairman. I did the papers in my mama at the office. I did went there. The young she and you by your Boame. Namini a boa for Namini a boa for. When can you rhapsody you? And Reverend Professor Baba, never been a crata, no, so ya Montro on Cajon. I, dear the Bob Brad. Would you say, well, you can't some Pahuasan, see some points, some Pavadati, won't it? And Crofosi Casamid judge in a year, and Crofo year, Juma year, and Crofo Jumu Daho, and Crofo Titi Woma year, and Crofo Wari year, and Crofo Yabotre, and Crofo Titi Woma. Oh. Unya better citizen and unya a better nation. It is develop one soul at a time. Yeah. And no what you money through Rhapsody and other programs on Sompa.
Delight and social light.
And say and then funny as a funky Friday. A secondary school for no be Jew. Mamintiwa.
You any daily post to her and new weekend crusading garden if ye what they aba na and then you read Julius Debra said the anopana ni din wo no. Nyame na yima wo ene na woda nti wone na musa ewo me ene nyina adwa so Ghana for me ne de nanim
times for her daily guide and the Ghanaian publisher and then so by anopainti ene eja ka mienu ne bomu
I me so me wo graphic wo hana e ya no mape honorable Dr. Julius Debra picture my na every permanent a we she no ene no wonya 60 years. Wow. Enti a milestone kesiye pa but ya mobo papers no se kire no na me ankasa ma wish no o ye constituency he ya wo do me pela 2 he ya ha na otie o wo do me kwabenya abatom pesa so ya nti ya nimu he ya na otwam ekọ adwuma da bia enti yenso so ya papa yenya no ya ha no no ye ne ho agro enti apam dada so mu
mo anope wa yenhira se fidie no da 90.7 wonyira yo Sompa na muma won kransa ana 106.1 no eno nso wunya nyira yetachima ne wo Sompa no 101.1 ho na wutie utra ye Sompa na wutie no enkrade no wunya no watakwa live ana wunya watakwa de 103.3 no so ebia na wo unkura radio na nso ukura phone so data Sompa 106.5 FM Accra bra Facebook no so na behwe bi odihye bi di na woda na de aka ho na do adwenkyira ka ho daily post de obokrata na post na wode aba beto ha na wode okuapem hene emfuni atowa no woche Ghana Medical Trust Fund any free primary health care no eye niema eni kwanse ye toto na sekura na eye nhyehyɛ nso a abano de aba wapepa de sabi ni yesusu adwendwene ho dodo na akora de afiri yentrim na anopai me homa me adwa obobia da kon poku one administrator Edma Ghana Medical Trust Fund no mfuni de kyire ne sedwasoro wasere pa na wasere masede no ebia kanana te se oba pa Akosua nhira sede no pepepe enti osi ade ayi Akosua kufu ya wotoso miensa ne mfuni ene da hai anopai Daily Post to ediaba na wasanso de aba beto ase konfano chan ya sabia ese wono mo ka de friend se institutional death na se adrope ediaba wo hamunche mu dunsia wo mo ehwemu a wono mayo eso ehon sem no na Akosua Uniba tempo no contractor wo yeso adwuma ena mampani abone nsem ama no se wo contractor ne ye adwuma pa de wo de share ne nsa no wa ya mo no akura mene ne se asente su ache sampa wo ye adwuma ehote Daily Post de bokrata anopa di opposed to ye bi no no na wo de abeto ache se Yewra Julius Debra ye papa ye kana asema no peye kwa business forum tikasi awi adwe a na e ka ho bie no pani na de mfinhye aduosia na ne mfinhye aduosia no wantena fia nka se wadi 60 years ntemo mra ye nidi ne ye nom nko wode ne kire gomu afete orphanage ho enyanka wakwa akoye wo madoye anopai eno eye Daily Post de bokrata ne dia wo post to edebaye ebi ya ye boso enti ukọ various news stands na abusua wakwa akope bi neja wakenkan na wako enim na we a new weekend crusading guard said the Adwoa kan no say we a can be sima mienu no ho hands off OSP CSOs warn against anti-corruption fight flop krata fight also miensa enkono ni du wabie ni baya e de ato ho se de Yewra OSP o ma chechere ne nsa gu nachi enti prene keta asehye no obetimi aye ho adwuma kura be te sekna mai obepo hu wo nso nya de obetimi aka anopai new crusade weekend crusading guard de wetwa e de aba no na saasam kro na nso ena ode Yewra Martin Amidu kane OSP kane attorney general enso wode ababeto echese we de attorney general ne OSP wo mo big fight pa na Yewra Martin Amidu we defend special prosecutor's office no ena wo chese high court asa watene ne nsa atra babia na yesenka woso anopai new weekend crusading guard ne de bi eno no Yewra potwin beri manie na wono nso ede to National Petroleum Authority mpafo nenim se we de se yebetimi asekete papa ne yada so ama ye ho adwodwo yen a ene na ewo se saa fuel prices yi no mo de dada so no was scrap bi na adomaboa ama yehwe ho atimi ahenhan yen assembly members ena wo mo condemn petitioner wo mo de tia Adamu's resources na wo mo chese we de wo mo twe won ho firi ho kra anopai new weekend crusading guide ne de bi eno no na nanama hemfo nso a wo mo ata UK summit nechi we central region nanama hemfo wo mo chese edi nyuma beba pa be mabrofo no ede wo mo dwetire aba be hye omayimu ebe mo wo mo hu se de wo mbe fa ye nananom free so no still aberedenwo nti wo betumi aba asan de wo dwetire aba eso mfa so wo mo ntumi ni anope de new weekend crusading guard na chire no wo de Yewra Julius Debra wo de nemfuni atototo
Yamfa the Ghanaian Times ento so emamutau na wo hwe front page hanum se ya ye coach foforo kura ya Blasters of Ghana wo mo ensa kano coach Carlos Queiroz ena nimfonyini edaha ena yedi ni fugu
a support Black Stars o support Black Stars
oh I didn't know
so the cause coach foforo Ghana Black Stars wo mo ensa kano to so
you know
man ka say me say Ghana Black Stars the bob okay coach foforo Ghana for yenya
Apam Dadaa
ona hey eni de ne fugu yi black and orange oh efe ena Yewra Kofi Adams sports minister wono so da ha ya present ya man yesi edin edi ama ne yo saberema
yesi akwasi kura so kan ho yesi akwasi so kan ho
yesi gada hadie
ya so odi nkunim nti ya de ya hye ne kon
nti ama ne Sunday bon Sunday for the
Sunday ne ewu bi asore
mo nti omra na omenya ne Blasters na se ewu no a na enkenya bi nsim
eno se edwuma de esun but why ready so obeye enti moma ne mre na munya rehemu woni mu won ka so wode mo kwa kwaje cap no na emu
wode
mbakwa akire enti e ho asem e wa
but yes why very yes why realistic so why realistic say me dem mbakwa fa but enye se bia yetimi gia enti because yentimi kran ru semi final skrada nti no ye koye nim no ebia na watimi di yakwa kodru the possibility a free group stage no quarter finals na ebia nti yes why realistic akase because we nim what you are up against Argentina for no ekoshia Spain for womunyemre sa Italy chese minim say Italy for mo qualified I don't know me share ebi mo ye wo big nations o man qualify enti yes why realistic
enti eno so ho asem the Ghanaian Times said by government steps us fight against galamsey yes wo ma deploy drones ahodo bi next week enyasem ketwa ene mfidi ahodo bi nso a wo mo ekwa akohwe na wo mo ede akoatia wo mo wumtu efam gudi a emfa marakwan so 3 million Ghanaians vulnerable to food insecurity a reporter eno so ababe boom na founder and director with that Dominion Paint Manufacturing Industries Limited ano Yura Stephen Komala Adom yechiremu se wa friends and trofo nchiemu se wode adesrede eto aban animu se wono ne business na wo run na joint venture bia woni adwumakuo bi efre wo mo Quick Angels Limited for ko en wo mpese wo mo sabotage adwuma no gifri ne nsem enti we de ba bia du na bro woni adwumakuo no hyehyɛ so enti aban ne emremu na wo muntimi emmoa ensave ne business ne ho asem ewa ha OSP appeals ruling on prosecutorial powers ye chese SML case na wo matu ahyeda na eno na yewura kisie jaben na ni abre ne ho dendenden se sa atumi na wo magye free ne nsem se wontimi mmokɔ adu ne de yade bi ebe ha adwene pass aban no eni abre sekretary hye wo ko atia de a ene wo mo nhwe na wo mo nye san hyehye ne ho adwuma Ghana Maritime Authority GMA for wo so kyerem se nsama hodo bi a ekuapem North Mrashe bedwani yewura samia okubeke ka fa vessel bi a na eye adwuma MV sankofa no wo kyerem se sansem no nyina enye no kore eno so ehu asem anopai the Ghanaian Times Obokrata no afabi ede abade aka na pomedikan boso ewo nkrata no mu ma memfa Daily Guide tew na yenja de aka no emfa Daily Graphic na eno na Daily Guide anopai ede aba OSP nsem no so wafabi mensan enkomu biem we are not illegal miners angry in Zema you to Adamus Resources womo ena ekase eye emabuna ewo enzema atoye mantemu womo kiremu se Adamus Resources Limited for company no womo ebe kiremu se enkrofo aba ye illegal miners ne ade womo A2 efo magudi a emfamra kwan so womo kiremu se enye sakra enetie government backs NLA KGL contract Director General ena eka ehu asem ewa ha na ene Akosua cartoon a wode baaye no was say tight and armed robber them say Methodist say John Wesley Obuasi say asemu I hear say if you no pay tight is equal to armed robber enti Akosua cartoon ene wode eba enim se sankomo we ye dia ama Sompa delight cry nra ye boso ewo ho say tight ho asem se wantua untutu so du a wo bonyame kro no de kyro no aka na emom se bia obi beka se wuntua wo tight nti asem to wa ye ma no eno enya scriptural enti but Asare bia won nhyehyeye ekuo bia won nhyehyeye nti ukọ na ukọ join a de ye no na wafa umpa no wafrim
na akọ ba bi fofo
enya by force
wa akọ bank say bi sevu ebi nso kwaje na katua
nti wo hwe na se emmoa wa na wape obabi afa Francis Amo arrested over Pentecost church cover song gospel musician Francis Amo beboso yete se ya che no efa ye copyright issues ho eni ade but Sompa the lights ye bekom na ye dididi ho nkomo akwachiwe gifty anti break silence on IVF struggles of late motherhood and also Nigeria wo share ye bedi mu enkomo awie nti mepacho make a date with us 1 p.m.
Nobody home come
it's entertainment one side ho na yenya bre na ija
no pense mu kama enanso ye fia dante bia timi bia wom yo apam wo bia na me fa graphic
na okay
graphic da ha governor urges shift from diaspora remittances to investment. The Bank of Ghana governor can say, "Say ya na ya ma menom ne papa nom ne abusuafo a omo abrochi no say omo ana Adwoa ma send ye sika kakra." O say ba ya na yedi ya emfanye investment. You invest sika no.
Okay.
O say you move from consumption based remittances near the investment based remittances. Command betumpon. And two brothers send you $500, £500 at the buyer. Oh, ye investors can ye find your business near
one mere who were in now.
I boom says can mum the do. Sika be a wish any mu pomua. Last week a people bought me dear. Apam
when you bounce no way.
Make one night to buy.
Okay.
Me buy a now, me share mumu beat. Me say what?
No, mumu so much maso.
Me say a dear, me say. Onyankopon no an wo se anadwena ma na ma me hye wode monyama no pay and you know na e kama sa surprise no e bom ma pa unexpectedly o han wan say obi send na dem 5,000 10,000 1,000 500 200
and also no you umomola no ye na billboard de bo ho no obi a ni bottle no
e no omo nim wo no na bia nyame am o ma kai wo me say obi na kai me obi a mete ne nka che
na kai wo
and wo kai me no carrots as Akosua meti ne nkanche o me ne kasa achenti ma me nwai kakrama no ansa na ma frenti ansa na wo be frɛ no na wa ya tum eno ne ye pɛ me mfrɛ wo bra nwai ntum
okay wow
so what me nkanche afa na be frɛ eti eni ayi we kakra fato petrol gu kanim na ye fine sa surprise man in dia pam obi anka because anya da surprise na ede
na asakoyiska
surprise atade ede surprise mpaboa ede surprise sky ede surprise aduane ede
surprise yare na enye surprise nkwen ya mpengu
mpengu eti ene fie de erade surprise ya
amen
maybe the enye lunch date maybe the enye momo
date
maybe the enye ntade maybe the enye mpaboa surprise ye maybe the enye gift wo hana ubonsa bi kra na u TV asai afebo so obi afro na me wo hona wo ho adwene ba me tim na me se me to TV abeche wo ana bia oho nkonya na ye dada afi wo ha no obi na no me besa me hu se oho nkonya no asenti matofo frodo bro me the new set ana se me duro me hu se wo fridge no na me ka se ma me nsuo nwunu na se wo fridge na sai etimi oho na bibi ka makoma apa wonim se sa de ye God's favor nyame na mo obi kai wo
okay
eti na me se me top fridge for fra ba beche wo electronic appliances say ena nim de de pa wo phone eta freezy anasa wo phone ahwehwe fo mama anim nyina papai say no obi hwe ene wo se Adwoa Akosua fo yin de afa wo ho yesi obi de ade bia bro ya chechire ho yi rubber foforo ene obi surprise obi ene nyame mo obi surprise obi lunch date say wo ha say come de me ye adwuma say me pie kopɛ de ane dio afa ye say ride the beach hwe adan apam se memfa jollof rice ne de o na fruit juice bi so ne de o de banana hye ho a ya me original you know apam yema foam na rhapsody for baba betu ye 0260 ene nyame be surprise what ye shan koma gu abrabo so ene nyame surprise na Adwoa da bedia dance ye wo Sompa so onyame mo obi meche wade na wani nna sika wani nna ka wani nna efia wani nna apa no so bitimi tofie che obi obitimi toka che obi ai onyame mo obi meche watade ya wani nna empabo a wani nna sika wani nna onyame nye samma onyame mema obi meka nkranhye bi ebi a waye depressed na di aiserie bi abowura wotirim swati ase onyame mo obi a wodo no wono so no
amen
ya de wodo no wono so no
amen
ai onyame ma nipa bi a wafe no wono so mfew wo wafe no wono so mfew ewiase apam de yam so wafe obi no mfew one sided the fear enye wafe obi wono so mfew enti na ye fiada
sa
osoro hene waka wo Jeremiah chapter 33 verse 3 say we should call on you and you will answer us. So ye fra abeji so everybody na surprise ye nyina me teach you Sompa akra adwuma ye for surprise ye nyina from manager, administrator, marketing, newscasters and ye nyina MC Arobia security reception baby already surprise ye. Amen. And ye tie phone so already surprise wo mo. Amen. Ye bibi ma wo mo a ebe mo masere. Na be mo mani agina weekend di woda ho a. Esa Saturday ni Sunday ne de. Aye ni gie nkwa utima ya de. Ono nyame be surprise wo Yesu di munti. Amen. Abompa ye wie tie fo emrem. Hello. Yes, originally. Ayo, original. Yeah. Obaswache. Nanse. You're watching ne sepa nti obabi ameka sewa. Aye. Eso so. Ene the original nyame ya wadomo abo awuram. Ene the rapa na kojaso. Bizana ko bamentia apam ni ya be Adwoa Asare nyamira mo ko bi obi amia. Ana ba jam to bamentia ni Sompa dikoda no so no. Metramo atmonja maye. Atikon munya decoder no so ho. Okay. Dimitri moja maya bani nyame. Me pacho mate. Anda ko se mami pa akwanya una mita yo alante ma do ma o su dunia doctor. Na mita no be bia o bia. Anda ko mami kafu. Garante tension ya yi anu e ba bu boss. Yo la mama se be go government ni we o se o de se. Atia utu abofo de ko pa wa sama. Wo ma ko ya wo ma ti ba ba do. Na ke ya wontam kwatie kura na kata me ko tu apeda dada na we tere kana kwa mu ko na se ta ko ko bali kana ga baba ga na ta ya ku bota te ya yo la wan chena ka ko mo ko wan ayo ko mu no ku ko ta te no na we tie ya no nya na mi ta me ko down ene no ni o we ti am kwa na 2020 yo la te ma pe wa pe wo kwa original ya dance pa obi fufro nso aba 0260196064 and 0260196065 aha Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Ghana today, Ghana speaks na wuti and hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Mini abana meshiani.
Frank Nalo new Domimeyo.
Yo Frank Frank Domimeyo akwaba. Oh, Domi me your one abetu we. Hello. Me pacho mini aben meshiani.
Mini to pachi.
Oh, mini. Oh. Wonu abetu. Wabetu mini ye free way.
Me pacho me Fred the other line. Honestly na be so.
I say, oh yes, wakasa no apa na tiko.
Me de no wa me kila so dada.
Me pacho matima mintie wanope.
Mame, ansana me komatom so asembi hia me mame brena isi sana baya enkofa oyunima odaroma. Bo fidi ya so me pacho me free me kobenya taifa na me butu. Ensembi koswa tawamwa ma ya so ya. Diano ye baya tisa atamfo e already so na ye nya atamfo. Ye just NDC MPP keke. About 3 weeks ago, akasia phobia any orobomu ebedi matem kekan bebre misheda mansan wasem eno ayaya de nyina Aboagye program o chena mu sadia wutimu ya na obobo nko akata ne so na moka da kwa na waku veteran actress no ena me kasem no me share me views no me ka say eja me ma penkwa ya for me to sebe me ka so say nyansani and the nimye oka obekasa whether sebe anasa me to sebe depending on the same crowd pesoka eja ni mo be di madam na de na ye me yapa ni say eya mo kasa omu nye chifo nso the fact that eja ni mo ye chi ni no ncheso ni nyansa cheme nti misra ti di agro anaye kasa omunye very careful on tribal comment bi ayo mo ye chi ni ntumi nye nyansani encheme anulani nti no we asema eyema nibrisem nti someone chat wo na say me be ma me comment na mu de mu nyi adwini bia wo beka adwini media me kan no beka dia e di kesem be papa misra bo me na yenso fa
me pacho wadaruma Adwoa se enye ejanimo ene be reply we patcho nya botre na tie okay ba ubo eje ni modinti ubo eje ni mo eti nya botre se de wo kan me ne wo ya adwene se ne esese ye nyina ye ne se obi a wo ba wa ba be kire wadwene enidi atam se obi kan asem bi na se anya wo de a obetimi aka se o mini nipa yi enya adwene ye mpe eni tribalistic ayi bia wa ha ye krom ha ye nyina ye nipa ye adwuma bom wo ba adwuma mu ha ye wo asantefo wa ha ye wo aigbefo ha ye wo nkranfo wa ha ye wo krobofo wa ha ye nyina ye gusompa ha ene ye adwuma nti no ene oman no so ye nyina na ye oman ni mpumto ne nkankonye tribe ba ko ye nyina eti ye besre say ye ba e ma ye mfa tribal sentiment any utterances obi ani ne huni eti me no ya me da sepa
nti me di master ni wiye tan maka is it rhapsody enra ena minya bretie anani no sana uni papa no o mu kasae unim jeni bufu a oni second thought bia no sabe nyansa wo form enti sa o ye nyina ye nipa mada ye yem abufu no beba na wo mo nyansa ye adwuma nti na ye pani akofo etonyum kasae the nyansa ye adwuma oni obodam ni sunsun ye nim the fact that wakoma aba na se de die se awuafu no enkyere se fa wutiri boduam e wo se wunya abotira koma so now this song na se mi wie tew John Dramani Mahama ne na mamuwe mo me enda radia se osandi John Dramani Mahama bae sa dum so ye ko sanra ya dem amade achian pay ni bia me ti ya dem di hunai nti ne ka se ye kokko ntu na be o ma ma ya ti ase se o mu je si so so be in at least then November, December. The sadness to yen Chadia. Nothing you would be a bit
Mate, what time and ask me that CP and my time pa 0260 196064 and 0260 196065. Hello. Good morning, mi patchomini abene meshiani. Yo ya mo anu so kakra bi mame
Uma Abagye Adwoa Asare Apam
we see Jerry the idea bre wo ho okay eh Sompa yo ya je atum ya da se Onshira won so pa Sompa ye da se wo se nkyerɛkyerɛ ne ye fa single parenting ho no ye pa nti ye nkyerɛkyerɛ ne ma ye nyai bo nipa bebre na omo de omanamo asisi ye hello
now nanka bejai adia we ye nyidi pa na ye be tibete
no krasa ni
wa wani ti o kasa medom no krasa na
no krasa ayi bronya emu na me de ma no wadi awie
oh I said imagine no so the last 4 days ya na imagine
and imagine so san
you watch
oh I change you
aha when you say me do ye yara oga to me nkra
me pa choma mintie
omedo mami emfa ko yesu ntia wo na me chejo asama akọ communication asama ben so mkano Mr. Brown Quality Commission will go to papa and Academy Union and a mere chairman to Sweden. So maintain an agreement, maybe more aquatia or vice chairman, chief for staff, and then baby in American what if for some 4 years. Obapa, you better upon we ask it. The Shisha Pania Pataye, more problem, one more my Ghana. Sima, one more Ghana. No person transform on my Ghana, the Copa Safino. Ghana for your card to say your best support. Nemo. Omo na appointee to be on mayor for so biara no the better on attention says appointee we omo no and then uko year what is that I'm saying improvement abandon the trust so you watch it ne dey etikura ko ni etu galamse ne ye kimi sense so appointee mi se bi kura go ko so and no kimi se bi go ko so se bi enomo dia na improvement abam the year baba na baso e won ni amapa the transformation warrior and about Papa to do another Yabra and they can you and yet he didn't answer. Yet an Akosua
Medan sepa no krasa 0260196064 and 0260196065 ahaya Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Ghana speaks ebre any adruso no. Hello.
Hello,
yes, Bamena. Yo, if for Maminti one pay.
Mamintia Samamu Bamia. And after the boy incoming in Kakachama. I could have been there. Who's the man in Nekata? Your brother no Nekata. Now, Mr. Minchester, that particular guy.
Me pacho Mr. Unim, Mr. Chewadjene. Aha, tie. Ye did ya chamon ye dia tuye ye move on ye nkwayanim. Maka ho asem se obi aba tie. Aha. Matias yenti. Enti yemfa de atwam no. Efo online no kura emunye ntika wasem na emusa ya siesie na yenko yanim why
I'm telling you, most almost year, almost say, and then identify a scammers. Am I on book scammers? And I'm going to Manuba, yes, say, this is why I was for my mafia. This guy could say, like, no, this is, and I didn't have a on the talk that says, like, it's our mind, like, and in the first, I like creating one. And then we don't like 100 Ghana. It means how long we do. It means how why it's and I can see the idea.
Medansie for Memfania Waba Hele. Eben, the ma already non from Kakra, Mammy. Why?
Medansi Sompa hima, don't hear it.
Yamia don't me hoye na one and Clano hoye dear.
I don't mean I could see some Papa Penty. If you yes, Mudiano.
Mamintio
110 and that's the same among 75 Ghana into the difference is clear. Happy 60th birthday to Honorable Chief of Staff. Honorable Debra Yankopon Kano, Nakuma Twadi, Chidiapon Yankopon Yaman. Then you give Yasu to Yankopon son Kaino. Ewa DOB Namin Chairman MP Honorable Maklugu. That is MC Honorable Adwoa incoming chairman. However, Honorable Maklugu is Osman, aka the Dewa. Now, the American said, if you see something, say something. Now, more say, so which you have one Galamsi, every Ghana, and Indian super anno. It's a matter so much my young mom. Not more Galamsi, the young mom, she had to say, we will be for almost a Ghana year. Because they are young Galamsi as a crime to humanity. Perfect. They need to abide and get the praise to Galamsi. One performance so far, a way so bad among time. Yes, describe a criminal, a crime to humanity, and we shouldn't spare them. How one would you have to know? And Japan, yes, that is she, and you almost into not operation what, let's talk what, for giving to what, Galamsi. Almost your money now. If you must send the mountain, of the past, my purpose or the media, oh, kill one now was here, not some of the three. Not star,
Medansi Eben 0260196064 and 0260196065 ahaya Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Ghana today Jumedie Ghana speaks and awutie no. Hello.
Good morning,
good morning. Many abema ben meshiani.
But I want to tell you this.
Nyamia do me hoye. Every fanny. Yo, Afrifa Cantamanto, Accra, Ghana, West Africa, Africa, the world. Aye, Mamintie wa Afrifa.
Because the money is my farm, more your Ghana, and to function no more Yankana Adjenkasia. I thought to be a Minchia, National Chairman, NPC, or Pennyboche Japo. Yes, there is more Pennyboche Japo, NPC, Yankabu, Yanaki Power. And therefore, Jamaica, I'm sure one man can be one man can be Yana area. And now the day and once or the day I see the beach, you're not doing once in a baby. The assembly family in them, Nabako Canadian, one Mabako Canadian, and Mac as you did Kedama. Nanke folk can send one man of Farmer Nanka. To the Pacha, some more can make Kaikakra. Except what the requirement, Salah and Minta, that's what the meat fry. The amount of reform as an near breaker can tell us your war program to okay, sir, or reform because of Asare about you have and went to a gas or and put a particular of reborn time because your cat has a wow, Koya, Opaya, and look at it, where gas on the ground, then you are broke. One of them is not you. Who knew, look at any fancy of broke. And one also ending so more, and that's when you go for a deal on the way. And it's a more heavy travel. It is a so much. So that's also program here. When can you not Macaclay say, oh, the sanitary when you are posted on what time you ain't castle. One in Pato, so we want to be on the normal Pancatra.
Me Pato Mati.
Yes, Mahama. Yes, Ghana for now for body or my national. And then it won't find a dinner by. The end it walk on where Ghana for. It is a year of mine, and not necessary way. You can name your politics and I won't come on into. Well, my name is Yatibu Siana, and it was already a thing, Madam. Maybe in top one, Piano, just was almost every day of my new. Then take him out of my window, and you may think where it is. Again, as I could for the time, said, you have to go fight together, and then for the bit of a 10 city. You are Muhammad Time. What's the Lamotia, what was I to cut out of almost Jasso? Almost Jasso, I'm already
Mate, Afrifa, Otama Nasun, Timedasi.
You would have Matimidasi.
Miss Medasi P. 0260196064 for me, Fanny Pamiensa, and 0260196065 near you. Hello. And count so baby, I will be a
to be precise.
Yo, Nanamo, come into you.
And the international chairman, honorable MPP, the last of the year of Sompa, because of the jealous of the area for economy. Anyhow, when I said, okay, last year, that was the number 1 year before energy. At the end, that will be any of them. Okay, the what is the universe? Now, the assembly, the and the Amasa and the Ombudsman, no, yes, the Captain for Lancashire was beauty. Akosua, and the end is for Catcher, the other 4 years, money, any calamity. And then it's just Yami, annual of National Fair Bank, silver at Banga. I just see the government only should form. Something that you don't want to get here, you don't feel it. That's said that NBC in the Calam and they should the record is so big that they can say. And they should airport our country. Upon Apam, and they're going to move now 14 months a year job cannot now. Papa Apam, and then also like that. Never see that. Now we did the afternoon now. A boy with a mom up other move, and man count for up by an apple. You can't go see our gonna. I know the people are home, what I don't answer. I can give one after the mama, the only thing for them. I'm trying to compete on me. Because that's on my brain. I told you here, also now find people at
Martina Namwako. Mate Nanamwako Aboagye Medase. Hello.
Baby, I'm a mufra.
on person be command station because what man have power no say what to be o we ase and am to radio station be o e Ghana because no be radio station be o Sompa na aba and also wa man nti mo ba I say mo be command radio station be chere ya radio station no mo nye eno chere so wa ba power be yes again no come asem so le pacho Ghana Water Company say so no mu bi man sebi so no bi a instead fimu ba no menti ase because ye time me kwasiman who be so na Akosua en kan fi so no ba no menti ase nti say that one be from number 3 mo because my gen one menti ase and then I want me chair water bill na me bi so a said in so ni ko na kan fimu so nye ni so mi 3 fan you bia na some cut up your na sam bi bia na water bill na mi chair so so fast one say oh because when I'm done it will be next year so be can at mo info ni so ati emi ebu so ni sa ne so ni prefer you bia ne it say time for ni abia so aba it mess wrong Ghana Water Company so no omu bi mai no mo hwe no mo bi so ni mai
mate me dance be na yo me fa di otwa to kra hello me ba chomi ni be na me hia ni
Ojo we unu be na Bell Ashu Yilo Krobo.
Yo, daddy mami ntie wa no pay.
Ida say, nyam shema na pai edi papa moye. Na wana me fanya ide be cha de captain so chairman. Onu Aboagye Adwoa. Isere papa ko ide nyeno no be cha. Discipline. That papa I'm a captain Johnny Manso. Omitia Greater Accra Regional Second Vice Chairman. Eric Nati, Median, the China Papa. Felix and Aqua, Tema West, right. Amica. Galamsea Seminole. So you're in here. Ketu or how to see a part of the TA. Say, or Sophopenny, Penny, Kasa say, can you go to say, now you ever come back? And must say, no, or you come back to Ghana, or you don't see. Now, push your assembly, 3 zones, see you, a candy of the way. When you semi was talking, you better say, that you did that, not because you are mine, not saying, not a new sort of journal before. Yes, saying you better suffer. I think we have some money we cut and you are. That's it. For my more, what you can say, no, get here, give me a muscle. My sister said, pure what I wanted. Lord said, I took about the boy in Aboagye. My the time I came to this. And now, because I can't see now. The people from yeah, I can say, 10 cities in the age. From 5 cities, and I the time, and they are getting 5 cities now. If you ever say,
me dance. Me dance pi say wonso so ode wadwen kire aba wona wotwa to me kan wo se Sompa 106.5 FM akra ye be sorry so na ye de Sompa Rhapsody no atwa so time here ba Mr. Edro no ye kamfo de ama wo se malaria fever ne hawo honam ta ye wo ya obi a wo sorry bi a wutimi se he nipadua na wa brankasa en wonu mu ato aduane nya wo de ene ye fie da e se wo di fufuo bi kama pa na wutimi hu se wate bi adi nanso baba sa gi se wonu mu ada ho kama eno ye time here ba Mr. Edro no time HH mission capsules nso ye dru a obi a wo dwonso a wo bre immune system ayemre wo pe general well-being edru mpemu agudi a ahoɔden no wo fom eno nso ye time HH mixture and capsules Dr. Tafri Jada Wurumanti ene ye ni ho agro 80 friend wo 0244 417 669 nubana ha ma bibidro papa wakeken sie ni 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 na watimi anya time heba Mr. Drew no Sompa 106.5 FM akran so your client service line no 053 1886216 wopese woni edi nketa ho wopese obeye advert wa ha wonti bibia se ye dwumade bi nso wani a 053 1886216 053 1886216 emre bi echemo emi say Dr. Richmond Kwame Frimpong eba Sompa Rhapsody so ene ebe ye bedi sika ho nkomo na nenwuma bi a wachro good money habits in bad economic times no ebi wo ya ha enti beji bi ne fama wo ma na eton 100 Ghana cedis pe ena obeto no 100 Ghana cedis pe. It's a good money habit in bad economic times, you know. Say ya jinu ho adwuma ya tinka woni ye sika nso ho adwuma. Eti mu amusumu pe book no mama ne de book ni bi aba Sompa ha. Sompa Accra. Ye wo Watermelon Street. Ho ene ye ben Dome Market na Nasa Rising Sun School no. Ain't a good money habit in bad economic times, you know. 100 cedis pe na nso nimdi a wo benya wo mu no ebeboa wo tete wo ma no wo sikasemu nimde. Mo mu sesika ba wo nsemu a ye ni ye sie. Enti good money habit kwa befa so dane ho wo sikasemu wadwuma kakra bodia kakra wo ye kakra ba wo nsemu no baji we wuntimi nkenkan kra fama wo bana no nkenkan no interpret nkyerɛw okenkan no acheche mo akyerɛw eti se wo pe book no nso bi na ba bia wo no pese de brewa book no ye 100 Ghana cedis na so rider no de beba no wo betua wo be se nipa na de brewa na rider no watua enti no nso so no wo pesa good money habit in bad economic times no a na wafre 053 188 6216 tutu sika sem yo obra wo tepente kwa wo kwa wo ba wo ye adwuma nyina wo peska communicators amoka satententen ema NDC ni MPP nyina sika na mo pe enchia bebrebe mechi oreja akọ mechi His Excellency John Dramani Mahama mechi Chief of Staff ni nyina party na wodo ni nyina eyeska na mom sika ne ba kwa befa so atoto no say 1000 mpo a good money habit in bad economic times, you know, and obi anso nim say niema se wotutu ne yie 053 188 6216 053 188 6216 bajibi ne kokenkan to bi ma wo ma na wo monkenkan na wo nya good money habit because a habit e yesu ne ban say apam say one cultivate a wonya $1 million kwa wo be hye no if so wonim kwan e fa so etoto sikasem eti baji ngoma bi 100 Ghana cedis pe
sika ni nhini wo fie
da bi if is a habit wo habit no wo nya sika bi a wodi eti first na atade no turn 500 cedis afi kwa kwota 1200 de ana because sika ni mo apeja eti wo de wonim ye consumption wonim saving and investment and how to manage it wonim kwa fa so toto manya 1000 men toto ne say na me mfanto say na me mfanto baby say na me ni say na me mfangura dwumanim eti wunya good money habit in bad economic times no ebetimi aboa na 100 Ghana cedis offer your line no
is can ekuta no
ai de bad obenya no ebro 100 cedis eti offer 053 188 6216 na etimi aboa na wonsa etimi atobi so kama eti momfa jedi edi akamra na afi honorable Julius Zebra yema na happy birthday
no kre na woka good money habit no abusua sika wo mu leaflet na nkasa kura wo kan ba ko bia na wo sika benya de afrim enti beje wo de wo gine nyina no atwere ne akenkanka ho nso ebenom abusua me ka kyerɛw ye hwenchen say ya atwere ho kasa na kyerɛ mineral water enti sa obenom de bewie doctor be ka kyerɛ say wonya typhoid ana wo hwa ye se cholera no wonya no eno nso hwemu kyerɛ say wonya sa yade ne bia ne kyerɛ say obi agya na akɔ wadua ne ma na wonsuom eno nti na say wono monsu a state of the art technology yate ho na yesa ho party ase awi ase ba bi adwabo nipa ba wo mbanu nsuo no ene ye de so mo ye kasa wono mo wo sachet mu de ye won tranketoa adantemo ne akese ene afa wo dispenser ene ye tete adaba no ene wo pensuo nwuna wunya wo pensuo hye nso anya nti office bi ehia bi de ema wo dan so ne se emfa ho ene se enema bo ekoso de bi no pagya wo mu dem kasa de ne da ba bi eda no a back hospital H 0206 469 430 na wonu munsu papa no ye die aduane panso na wanyina che Hajia special local foods wonu ma to nduane ne doso nenso Hajia de yenim se ingredient odi ye adwuma ni nyina ye original enye de nkeka kanu no bia anade apropro no bia wono wo ye adwuma pa de ma nya dufudi adwuma enti se tie bia udi wi a unya ahoden papa de ko wonwuma so esonsompa no nwotwe make say tutu efiri na aduane ma ye krado etomo ko se na nwotwe bebo apan mu wo pa bomu en aduane enkwan aduane a ni nyina Hajia wo wona abochi ase de wote ne nka che apreprensa tuzafe ana akple ni nyina wo yo 0246 359 921 TikTok, Instagram, baby ho, and what delivery for nso a won be deliver e de abrewo. C'est bon.
Yo. Sister Jo, what did Jerry okay. Any mama fa a special happy birthday. Honorable Dr. Julius Deborah, we Chief of Staff. And when you're 60 years. Enti Honorable Dr. Julius Deborah, yesterday I mean Shama from Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Na the other one auntie my main Sansha CBM. Ma yemfa a very special happy birthday. Na yemfa happy birthday. 60th happy birthday. Emma Honorable Dr. Julius Deborah. Ene wanya 60 years. Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Yama wutrinkwa. Yese nyame nhyira ne bambo emaw. Na wadwuma pa. Waba ekoi na wosan ba biem. Ene nyame asama opportunity to serve your nation. We ni papa. We ni papa not both for NDC nkwa. We ni papa for NPP. Ena wosan ni papa ma oman ni nyina obi a wan encounter obi a wahia obi a no nim se. We obi a wubu ni papa. A won nante ni paso wo tema. Wo akoma papa enti se de wositie no koso aye ne sa wa ho brase kura na e se babia kanyame de waduri no enko obi kura enko be yedwe nenso Honorable Dr. Julius Deborah wa ho brase papa na ho brase e de me I know you personally enti yama wutinkwa yesre nyame nhyama wo ne wo yere ene wo ma wabusua ene wudwumadie a wudie any affairs ministry and media show say chief of staff. Why a former chief of staff, or say a current chief of staff. Yama utinkwa. Midiri se nyame woni yama papa bebre edimau. Enti we die if you wan kasa wunia ba Akosua ago Aboagye mene Sompa adwuma yefo ene Sompa crew ni nyina ena ye day happy birthday Emma Honorable Dr. Julius Deborah ene wanya 60 years anase emfie edusia enti na utinkwa ene yede ema enti adwa yama Honorable Dr. Julius Deborah tinkwanti kakrafa so na Sompa Rhapsody wo metwa so
when so safo na to birthday bi se yemfa emma ohima sika enti yema ohima sika a special happy birthday na birthday wish we no efri nikunu besmakopon enchen besmakopon Jesse Kane player Karela United Wabuama Mediama SC ena Nations Football Club enti onua ne do yere apam besi ohima sika ye man happy birthday nyame shira onti nenim infantry no onye infradomu enkwadomu ona
da okay
overseas
a nice woman I am an tinkwa fashionable woman as well I am an tinkwa pa amame kwando mesha no pay yes sorry in our point of view because we be a Canadian but there na Bible ne ka ni nyina so ne say na the hu abakosam ni bi tie na wiei tie na no pay ba say tie na wiei na special edition e wo for go be kasa titan ho asam no e bi say Old Testament e bi say New Testament e bi say twam e bi so say Abraham tia titan sana 10 commandment ni ade ni nyina eba e bi say hu halabalu ni nyina no yenya botre na tie Sompa 106.5 FM Accra
Apam Dadaa na foforo no nyame bo wiase wobo no foforo mu anada dem
ni nyina we ayi wo besie Apam Dadaa no se apam foforo no be hye Apam Dadaa ni mu ma eti enyi bi mfrim ni yamfa bi nka ho ni nyina ye pe because one kind Dadaa na mono no kra won tiase enti yenhye no so sa na yemfa nya adwuma enti we de abegyafo ye de si ha na ye de tiefo ase ko so atie Sompa 106.5 FM Accra fi se woni ma pa bebre mamo a wa obedi adanse station we de wutia bibia kama pa a bibia edemu eyi enti na eno na what kaka emse na watchi mu no de anger no ebawie na obema mu solution ne obeye na na o ma yehu se adrenaline ne cortisol no a edi ne ye apam de no enya hwiegu tirim abra wo hu bibia wo mpe ana obi aye bibia wo mpe ana ne man ko se de wusi pe no a sometimes so wote say we a very controlling person obe so control nipa ti ne man ko se de wusi pe no na ho kire wo no wono so ede de aka nyina ato so ko so tie Sompa 106.5 FM Accra.
Onitimbi opue ya wampuo ni kwao odi enije ni nkwansha abarabo mu afutu nyamsumu ani daso ade enije abiro ni panyina Sompa ebe sunima Sompa TV yabo Sunima oh fide no to Sompa fato Sompa TV na ya wani pama o na unu arada ifisa gudie munsemo ubenya abarabo munsemo ubenya nyamsungu nsem ubenya anije munsem ubenya enyumpa na kakuma ubenya yamaimu amanyosem ubenya osompa dibra ubenya Nina Sompa TV ya bana papi ni suo